Good morning, everybody. I'm Anthony.
And I'm Iris.
And today we're going to show you what we've got in our garden. Come take a walk with us.
Come on.
All right, we're ready to harvest now. Get your bucket and make sure your tools are clean because you don't want to pass along any diseases or anything from plant to plant. So you can use alcohol. Sometimes I just take some Clorox wipes and just wipe it. So just know that keep your tools clean. That's very, very important. Come along.
What are we looking at first?
Okra. It's a smaller one, but the more you cut, the more they make. So take care of the garden, it'll take care of you. I'm waiting on these melons to come in. I'm waiting for them to drop in the bag. So
we've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And we're battling some
7.
Powder mildew. The inside's got a little powder mildew on them, so we gotta clean that out.
It's a shame sometimes people have to go to the store to buy a melon.
Alrighty. And let's see what else we got.
Let's show them the bell peppers, how they're coming along.
Yeah. Something is going on with them because the bottoms are starting to get a little bit, but they're coming on in. I'm going to hit them again with some fertilizer. This is a different one here. When your flowers get like this deadhead on, that makes more flowers. Gotta have pretty stuff to look at. Weeds. Get off so we can. Another one. Come on in. Okay. See, make sure you wipe your tools between cutting. You don't want to transfer disease. All right, let's go over here and look at some cucumbers. I've been saving this just for you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Trying to get around your hands.
Can you see? One thing I like about cucumbers is the more you pick, the more they grow. So don't let them sit on there too long. There's some more coming in already. All right, that's one there. Got some more on the other side. Can you see that?
We're going at the bottom. 2 at the bottom.
And one of the things I like to do is to put my pollinators with my crops so you can get, it attracts them and they can go to the cucumbers and keep everything pollinated. That's good productivity. So we kind of did these late and they're starting to come in, which is awesome. So patience in the garden. Got some tomatoes today. We like cherries. These are the 100 sweet cherries, or the, keep it there. You can take those and stick them in the windows until they get Right. I got some leaf miners in here.
Show them what a leaf miner is.
Those are these
If you see those little tracks on your leaves, you got bugs in your plant.
You got leaf miners, and you can suffocate them with some neem oil, or you can just take them home. I try not to put any pesticides in my garden because I have to eat this, and I don't want to eat pesticides. I want to be healthy. One of my goals is to keep the leaves above where the fruit is. So I try to keep my tomatoes where the fruit is below, and then keep the leaves above it. So you'll see me picking off a little bit, and that's just because I'm just keeping everything so it can go up. Okay, now we're gonna harvest some eggplant. Oh, here's one. Nice one. Look at there. Here's another one.
I think there's another one under it. Yep.
Oh, happy little presents.
There's one right there too.
I could have let that one wait, but I went on and did it. It's got some more coming in, some flowers.
Let me look in your harvest bucket. Not bad for a morning.
No. I'm hoping to do more in the heat of the summer. Everything is working a little bit harder. But I want you to see, these are our giant Marconi peppers. And we're letting them stay on there until they turn red. That'd be a good stuffing pepper. Let's see what else we got. Come on. So I need to, it's just a lot of stuff. In gardening, is always something to do. Always something to do. Let me check these radishes. I planted these as trap crops, and the disease is getting into them. And so
Let's see what the beets are doing this morning.
yeah, we can juice some beets. Let's see if we got any big ones. Here's a thinner outer. That'll be good for juicing. This is what's the delight for the morning. Just to come by the mint and just brush your hands through it, and you can smell, it smells so good. So good. Here's the lemon balm. You do the same thing here. Brush your hands through the herbs. It smells so good. And here's the ginger. Ginger's happy here. It's coming in. You can see it. It's expanding. You see the bees are busy there. Happy bees. We like happy bees. This is one of the crops right here that is new. I'm trying this year. It's one of the things that's like a big experiment. I'm trying. This is Malabar spinach. Okay, this is a Vietnamese brand of spinach. It grows very well in the heat, and use it to cook, and you can use it in your smoothies. And as you can tell, it vines out. So this was the first one we grew, and I added these here. They're starting to come on in because the days are now starting to get to like 104 in the heat index. Ooh, really hot. And so it's loving it, as you can tell, and it's starting to branch out. And this is just one plant. This is just one plant right here. And I can just come and pick the leaves off of it. And these little flowers here, they make the pretty little white, red beads. And you can use the little buds, or you could say the little berries, for dyes. People used to paint with them. And you can replant with them. And plus they're really pretty. So I'm looking forward to seeing that and seeing what it will do. And on this corner right here, these are my black-eyed peas. We like black-eyed peas. And as you can tell, it has gone up and over. And now it's going back up. And so it's starting to put out some black-eyed peas here. There's some coming in and some flowers coming in. Pretty flowers. Pretty happy flowers. So I like to intertwine beans and peas with my crops because that's a nitrogen fixer. It's pulling nitrogen from the air and putting it in the ground, which is a plus, plus, plus. Okay. I think that's all we have for today. I hope this was helpful just to see what's our daily harvest and letting you know that it may seem difficult, but it's not, and you can actually grow your own food in your backyard. And join us on our journey as we continue to show you different methods and ways to make your gardening experience more happy. Because this is like our happy place, and we love to share tips with people. Anthony and I are master gardeners with the Mississippi State Extension, and this is something that we are passionate about. And we love to share tips with everybody. So if you have any tips, anything that you want us to talk about, please put it in the chat and we'll be glad to add to our repertoire of videos or whatever. But make sure you like us and subscribe and share. Share, share, share. And from Mississippi, from Brandon, Mississippi, we want to give a shout out and say have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, you take care of the garden, and the garden takes care of you.
See you guys next time.
Bye.